tutorial video. But upon
today on
I suck at makeup.
we're doing this makeup look. This is gonna be maybe difficult because this is before the palette was out, so it doesn't really say. Maybe it does say the shades. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't remember. Okay.
let's get started.
Thanks.
Oh
no, we cannot.
Okay, I'm gonna take an M439 and I'm going to really dip into that and blend.
Okay, we already did this face makeup, so shut up. Oh.
This is the M513 and just dip into a neon light green shade. And I'm gonna pop.
Okay, so he doesn't say what it is, but I mean, we're gonna get the point. What did he say? 513?
Mm-hmm. He said any fluffy brush.
Yeah, but did we use a 513?
I don't think so. He has that one in his collection.
Oh, that's fake. I swear.
What's this one? 441. I feel like this one's really close. If you look at that. No? Do you know?
Maybe he lied because he created one of these brushes. There's no 513 in there?
Mm-mm. Maybe he's just... And he said any fluffy brush, so.
Uh-huh. Whatever.
Pop this right the my natural crease. With any excess I'm just
Okay, here we go. This is big. His is littler than this, I think. It's fine. Oh, God. Okay, tapping. Oh, we almost did it on the red eye. Oh, that's fun. I just put it on my eyelid and nothing happened. Love that for me. What are you doing, Al?
I got tired.
The green does not want to participate. I mean, that's good enough. M433. Oh, goody.
Oh, is it me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm putting this in the inner.
Uh-huh.
dip into a bright yellow shade and it's
B.
Because it looks like a bee.
No. Well, yeah, I guess. But it's named after his mom.
Oh.
Christy B.
What's B-E-E?
Christy B. That's her Instagram name.
Oh.
light.
Wait, where the hell
shade
did you put
place
that?
that
Oh
right
God, I put too
next
much.
door.
You know, the longer I look at it, the more I like
Put
it.
that shade right,
Right.
up into
Shape
this is
tape.
what I have so far.
What are we... You're still doing yellow.
I'm gonna go.
He is going way too fast.
I know. I mean, that's good enough.
Okay, and then, so now what do I do?
Oh, you're going above the green and taking a little bit of the green with the yellow and mixing it
Around those
together.
edges.
Sure.
This green does not want to work with me. I guess that's fine, right?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Okay, I need that blue now?
Yeah, but what brush?
I don't know.
At 433, I'm gonna
And
do
433, which I know you have.
And 433.
Which blue? This one? Oh, are we finally using Playground? We are.
light up yellow shade and a tiny bit of that green as well. I'm gonna light.
That doesn't look the same.
Right.
Whatever. Is it that one or that one?
This one. Light teal. So is this his palette? He's just not saying the colors?
Yeah, this is right before it came out.
Okay, it can't
You can tell because
it's
he
gotta
says
be that one.
he says like this. For the yellow one, he was like, "This is too pigmented," and he was like, "Just kidding."
Back into that green
I feel like that's
shade
really
inside
light.
of it. With the same exact brush on the teal, I'm going to
There's no way it's
more
that
of that
one.
teal shade, and I'm going to
Just don't make it
this color
super
to
dark.
That shade and place that right next door. Focusing this color
Right
right
next
above. Like, starting off, I'm just gonna stamping that shade up more.
I'm so scared of this.
Playing into more of
Okay,
that
stop.
green.
Too much.
Blend.
I can't blend. There's already a ton
Let me see
on
it then.
here.
Let me see it. And let me use it. So I can take some of it off.
Look at that. Too much. Oh my God. I look scary. Terrifying, actually. Let some of the freezing garage air get in here. Sorry.
You saying it's hot?
A little. See? Do you feel that? It already got freezing cold in here.
That's insane.
Yeah, I know.
With more of that teal
That's
shade, and I'm
terrible.
going to use this color to
This is the problem that I have.
This wing.
Outer V wing.
Trust me. I know. I have some problems too. Did I snap you? Oh. He's like, I don't think I did.
Wait, on what?
Insta.
I thought you had Snapchat. I was like, you fake
I
whore.
was like, no, I don't have Snapchat. Hannah, I can't go to Hot Pot. I have plans.
Oh shit.
I'm sorry.
We're gonna blend!
Blend the out of that.
I mean, it looks like shit, but we're gonna fix it later. Okay. I just thought you farted.
Yep.
What brush did he create?
Why don't you do the video where he talks about his palette?
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, lit.
Rebuild it half small.
I don't know.
I'm gonna place this right.
Fluffy packing brush.
Like that one.
M433.
Mm-hmm. Is that what this one is too? Is there a smaller one or no?
Mm-hmm. That's what we'll do. Looks good to me. Why did I do it so dark?
Was this before he had even announced he was making a palette?
Yes.
This one or that one? This one?
Right, I'm just so sorry
Which
about
one does
that.
it look like?
The shadow is all blended out the way I liked it. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease
dark
with
one?
a small concealer brush and some shade.
Holy mother! This might be too small. It's not fluffy enough. Like this one. Use the Walmart brush.
Yikes.
Okay,
I'm gonna try this one.
go for it.
Go ahead and clean
Wait,
up
when
the-
did
let me
he
stop you. Just fluffy
put
packing
shade
brush
tape
and dip
on?
into a darker blue.
Where?
I'm gonna
Oh.
place this right in the outer
He
vein.
does this and then he puts the shape tape on.
Okay. Oh wow.
I already feel like my technique is improving. Just after doing one eye.
I feel like
Put it
that
on
is
there. And I'm just putting
not.
that shade
Into the crease?
A little. Just a little. Got a little fire, got a little ice.
I'm good.
Okay, this is so stupid.
We have that. Does
That's
that have a
what I saw.
concealer brush? Oh no, but
I'm
whatever.
gonna grab the M124 and just pack on a light teal shade. I mean like, hello, right on the inner corner. Just packing the shade on there right
Hello.
on top of the concealer.
Oh.
Be super careful not to get it
Cute.
over the line. It's okay if the shade doesn't perfectly touch that cut crease as well because I am going to use.
That was a lot. Maybe not.
Yes,
What?
cut crease. Look at this. Cut crease. Crease cutting.
I'm done.
Nasty.
I mean, that was a better cut crease than the other one.
I'm telling you,
It's a lot
technique is
better.
already improving. Just do this like once a week. Just follow one of his tutorials once a week.
I'll need
Your technique will improve dramatically. It's all about practice and consistency.
you. A small packing brush. Where are those little nuggets? I just keep going back over this blue, hoping that I can make it lighter, because
Yeah, going over it makes it lighter.
like not using more, just trying to like spread it out. Whatever.
This just makes, this one makes my brown eye look lighter. This makes my brown eye look darker.
It's weird.
Also, one of my eyes is lighter than the other. Look at.
It's a rainbow in the
It's
sink.
fun and pretty.
This is like my favorite color.
Yeah,
He said inner corner, right?
yeah. Just be careful not to go over the line, is what he said.
Oh, we're taking it all the way over there? Okay.
He doesn't want it blended, I guess, with the dark blue.
Okay.
Why are you laughing?
Because it's supposed to look like that, and that is not what I have. Oh, okay.
You don't have any liquid liner, do you?
Hell no.
Interesting. Okay. Now what? Same brush.
What? 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 It looks like that. What?
I just wasn't prepared for it to be so dark.
It's good. That one's good. I mean, okay. Like, I'm trying to make it look like that. Oh my god, you're the worst. Never inviting you back to my channel again.
Hey, this is called doing makeup
Welcome
badly.
back to my YouTube channel without Allison.
Okay, can you, what are we doing next? That's why I didn't think you needed to do that because we were gonna blend it eventually, but it's fine, you'll be fine.
It's done. This one really doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, I know. I keep looking at it, I'm like, actually it's not so terrible.
That is really rough.
It looks awful on camera.
It really does.
Boy. All that boy. Get it. Now what,
A
James?
little lighter.
Oh, we
Now,
do that.
I think I'm going to use right up into the outer corner.
He said to use that one.
And the tiniest little bit of... I'm gonna pop on a pair of Yas Queen from Lily
Yas
Lashes.
Queen.
These are the eye of this mermaid look off complete. Doing things with the nails is so hard.
True that.
Right?
I hate him. I hate how he does that.
So you
What?
can totally stop
All of that setting spray.
Seashells,
I'm so mad.
And then just using a disposable craft
We
sponge.
don't have all this stuff to do the fun.
I know.
I know.
We tried.
We did. And it's still pretty. Just... This one took way less
Look, I
time.
ruined everything.
Did you try and take it off?
Yep. So now we gotta go back in.
Don't make it too pigmented. Remember, you want it to be light.
Yeah, well.
Did you shake any of it off?
Starting over made it worse. I just can't do this like wing thing. Literally, what is that? What is that? What did he say to do under the lower lash line?
That playground, and then the dark blue to darken the like lash line. Like we did with the.
With what kind of
cranberry.
brush?
Oh, I just did what we did last time where we used
Oh,
this
Walmart.
one. Yeah.
Not terrible. I don't know why I can't figure out how to do this V. I need to start using tape.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like this side goes out a little further than this one probably does. Well, this has been fun. Now it's time to take it all off. Excuse me.
Wait for me!
No, I'm not going downstairs.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm just going in the game room.
Oh, to go take pictures of yourself?
Just to see if I can see it. No, it's too fucking dark.
The good lighting's in the game room. I'm talking to YouTube! I just said the good lighting's in the game room. Didn't say nothing that wasn't true. Oh, my dog has decided to join me. When did it get dark out?
5:35.
Like, are you kidding? It's 5 o'clock right now?
Yeah. Almost closer to 6 o'clock.
Wow, look how much time we wasted. Making a mess. Well, there's that. I mean, it looks tragic, but this side is really not that bad. I feel like I look like I'm about to be in a play. My face makeup doesn't look bad, so that's good. All right, Allison, are we done?
I didn't put highlighter on my left side.
I did. All right, see you later.
Did you?
That's
show 'em?
45 minutes.
That one was 45 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
I felt like this one was so much quicker than the other.
Bye.